Hi, I'm Jay from Creative-Comfit, and we're here at this beautiful home here in Conyngham, Pennsylvania, where we recently installed a Carrier 3-head ductless heat pump system for a customer who was concerned about the rising cost of oil. Let's go check it out.
We've been in this neighborhood, it'll be 5 years this Christmas after moving from the Hazelton Heights area. We have oil heat, which was extremely costly. We had 3 window air conditioners in, out every year. I did it because it's what we always did. Our next door neighbor, when we were living in the Hazelton Heights, they actually had a system put in by Creative-Comfit, and they said, highly recommend. So we kind of went on that, checked the costs, got some estimates. My wife talked me into it, and we decided to go this route. I thought this was going to turn into a couple-day ordeal and a huge mess. They arrived in the morning very prompt. The time they were supposed to be here was 2 men. They were fantastic. They moved a couple things around. They went downstairs. They had to run a separate line for the system. They had to do some drilling as far as the wall, the units, the upstairs, and I believe it took them about 4 hours. When they were done, they were vacuuming, cleaning up what little mess they made, and I was like, guys, I could do this. Nope, part of the job. And they were done. Then they stuck around and gave me a brief, this is how the system works, this is what we recommend, this is what you have to do, which was very basic, cleaning a filter. And they showed me how the system operates. That was pretty much it as far as the installation. It was quick, it was great.
So the reason we chose Carrier ductless heat pumps for Mr. Sommett's home here is because he was looking to save on his oil heating costs and get air conditioning at the same time. These systems solve both of those problems. On the heating side, they can be up to 4 times as efficient as oil heat, and they can make efficient heat down to about negative 22 degrees. On the cooling side, not only are you getting your cooling, but they're about twice as efficient as a window air conditioner, and they move about 4 times as much humidity as a window air conditioner does as well, all while being completely silent. The other benefit to that is you get individual control for each room. You would get a remote control thermostat that you just point at the unit. You can select between modes. You have heating mode, cooling mode, fan only if you'd like to just circulate air, and it also has dry mode, which will do a bit of dehumidification.
We had baseboard heating, and the problem with that is baseboard heating comes on, it heats up a room, as soon as it shuts off, the baseboard's cold, that's it. This is pushing a little bit of heat, and it's pushing it out into the room because there's different speeds. It's definitely quiet. Probably cannot hear it now. And it's on fan, and it's on 100% because you can put it on 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. We forget it's on. Those window units, you don't want to sit next to one because you can't hear, and it freezes you out if you're right next to it. Our electric bill has increased, maybe $40 a month, some months $50. But what we saved on oil was phenomenal. I'm saving like $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 on oil, so it's just a matter of a couple years. The system will pay for itself. So not only were we saving money, but I was saving my back. I would definitely recommend these systems, and I would definitely recommend going with Carrier because had it in 2 years now, there's no issues. I wish I would have known about it years earlier. Creative-Comfit was good as far as the installation. They were able to do the electrical work down cellar. I didn't have to get a separate electrician. They took care of that. So yeah, Creative-Comfit, highly recommend. Should have done it sooner, but we won't. Tell my wife that.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you think a Carrier ductless heat pump might be the best solution for your home, give us a call or check us out online.